Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can enable the hibernate option. When you shut down, everything is erased from the memory and system restarts from scratch the next time you power it on. It ensures a fresh start but takes longer to boot up. And in the hibernate, the current state of your system including open programs and documents are saved to the hard drive and then the computer is shut down. When you turn the computer back on, it restores everything from where you left off. So it's faster than a full shutdown but not as fast as a sleep. It uses less power than sleep but still takes up space on the disk to store the system state. And to hibernate system you need to click here and go here, and as you can see there is no hibernate option. So I will show you how you can bring back the hibernate option. You need to click here and write control panel and open this. Now go to power options. Now you need to click on choose what the power button do, and here is the hibernate option but it is grayed out. So you need to click here change settings that are currently unavailable, and now enable this and save changes, and now close this. Now when you will click here and go to the power options, you will see the hibernate option here. So that's how you can enable the hibernate option in your computer.